Step into the 2009 Volkswagen CC Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power outlet, intermittent wipers, air conditioning, EBD electronic brake disc, beverage holder, side airbag system, and daytime running lights. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.